4-button. Lock, unlock, panic, and trunk. Brand new OE replacement. The GM recommended replacement for your original keyless entry remote. Battery included with the remote. This remote may be able to be programmed without a technician, but certain vehicles still require that you take it into a GM dealer or ACDelco service center to be programmed. Check attached instructions to see if there is do-it-yourself programming for your vehicle. ACDelco GM Original Equipment 4-button keyless entry remote as a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's keyless entry remote. These remotes come with a standard lock and unlock buttons, as well as a panic button. There is also a button for your trunk. Batteries are included. These original equipment keyless entry remotes have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. OEM ACDelco keyless remote. 2 years ago, the battery retention clip on one of the 11-year-old OEM keyless remotes that I received from the Chevy dealer when I purchased my 2003 Malibu broke off, so I purchased an inexpensive aftermarket replacement. Within 3 months, the cheap case on that aftermarket replacement fell apart when I opened it to change the battery. So this time when my second, now 13-year-old, OEM keyless remote that came with the car finally fell apart, I decided to purchase this ACDelco OEM replacement. Since the 2 OEM keyless remotes that came with the car worked for over a decade, replacing it with this ACDelco OEM remote seemed like a much better idea than buying another cheap aftermarket alternative. However, I noticed that many of the vendors who were selling this OEM remote were the same vendors who were also selling aftermarket replacements. So I was concerned about the possibility of receiving something other than a keyless remote with brand new ACDelco OEM electronics in a brand new ACDelco OEM case. Since I've never had a problem with anything that I purchased that was sold by Amazon directly, I decided to buy this ACDelco OEM keyless remote from Amazon directly, even though there were other sellers with slightly lower prices. Once again, Amazon fulfilled my expectations. They sent me a real ACDelco OEM keyless remote in a little sealed ACDelco product bag. The same sealed ACDelco clear plastic product bag that all small GM OEM replacement parts come in when you buy them directly from a GM dealer. I attached a picture of the genuine ACDelco OEM packaging that this keyless remote should come in if it's truly a brand new ACDelco OEM keyless remote. If I purchased this product and it arrived in one of those little unmarked generic Ziploc bags, I would have doubts about whether it was truly a brand new ACDelco OEM product. As expected, this new OEM keyless remote works perfectly.